What is this? This is my algae project. The temperature right now in September, early August, near September, is 19.6 degrees, or humidity is 75%. Now, these are, as you can see over here, these are bottles, and the bottles contain algae plus growth medium. The algae is this stuff. Maybe I should zoom in with the light. Chlorella vigilis algae culture, so that's what I need it for. And we have the light output. We have 20 milliliters of the algae broth, which is right here. It consists of 3 grams potassium chloride, 3 grams sodium chloride, 0.22 grams sodium formate, and 1.2 grams diammonium phosphate with 2 grams iron ammonia sulfate in about 600 millimeters of water, ice cold water that's been sitting from the tap, that's been sitting here for approximately a couple of days to get rid of all the chlorine, because if any chlorine present, your algae won't grow. So what I'm doing here is it may be a little bit hard to see. I'm going to move the chair a little bit back and just have this so you can see right now. Now you can see, what is that over here? This is a carbon graphite filter with pumps. So when air goes through, it has to go through that filter and then go to the pump. So I'm trying to purify the air and get it to work. So I put in 180 millimeters of distilled non-chlorinated water into these devices, in these beer mugs, beer bottles, beer devices, and I put 20 millimeters of this algae broth solution I made homemade. And then what I did is I put in salt. I put in about 2 or 3 millimeters in each of these bottles. So I might have to increase the amount of algae. It might not be enough for it to grow. So I have the light on, and I have it to a setting. I have it to a setting of constant light, because I want to get timers, but then I want more light so the algae can grow faster and probably take care of the medium. Now, and move this away and then tilt-trade it a bit, the camera. Now, what is the light output from the bottles from this side? $250 lux. This bottle is 300. This little bottle is 280, and this one over here is about 300. So 200 times 10, so that's about 3,000 lux from the light total. Although it says it's 1,000 lumen per meter, it's so close that it produces this interesting result. But what I'm trying to do is purify the air. And what I have here are these cultures, negative and positive. This is sugar with dissolved aromas to try to get mold or other yeast to grow. So far I had this for a couple of days, nothing. This over here is sugar with vitamin water in it. As you can see, nothing really is growing, indicating that everything so far is working. I don't know if this would be a good way of growing types of material, growing algae and absorbing it from the soil. Absorbing it from the mediums and that kind of stuff. But I'm going to try to see if I can take bacteria and mold that have low concentrations and purify the air. This would be a very difficult thing to do, because you need so many of these bottles, and you'd have to scale it up by a factor of 10 to 20 times, so it'd be very difficult to do. But as you can see, I'm still going to test the results, and I'm going to wait on it. This will be a very good project because I can continuously do it, and I'll have to refill the water a bit all the time. But as you can see, yeah, I should move this closer here. As you can see, those are my algae cultures that I'm trying to grow. For proper salt medium, the salt medium is probably about 0.05 grams salt per milliliter, and the maximum is 1 gram per milliliter. So this is a very effective way at doing things. Adjusting the light a little bit, and these are the grow lights. Finally, these are the 2 grow lights I've been using. Quite good spectrums for the plants, and algae, because algae uses chlorophyll to grow too in their single cell. So I have to say thank you for watching this short video, and it will be a very cool and interesting project.